decimal method, you can find out is there any decimals in a string. So now if I want to check using is decimal, it will show you if any decimals is there in that given string. It will show true value, otherwise it will show you the false value. See, now it is showing like that. For example, if we give now if I want to check, see here, now it is showing false because it does not contain only letters, it contains digits also, so it is showing false value. If it is only digits, it will give you the true output. So using is decimal method, we can find out if it consists any decimal characters. So now we have one more method that is called Jade Field. Using Jade Field, we can fill the strings on the left with zeros to fill the width of a string. For example, now I am creating a string that is Python, and it is having 6 letters. So if I want to fill it its width with 12, so using Jade Field method, I can fill the remaining left will be filled with 0 using Jade Field method. For example, see, now if I want to fill the width of that string or with zeros, at left side it will be get filled. So for example, see, using Jade Field method I can do it. Means how much width you want to fill up, that many letters you can give. For example, it's having already 6, so I want to add 6 more zeros at the left side to Python to make stu2 string width become 12. So now you check the output, it will include 6 zeros left of the Python. So see, now for example, actually Python having 6, so it is showing 6. I have to give 12 so that it will fill with 6 more zeros. So actually its length is 6 only, that's why it is giving the same value. So if I give 12, it will fill with 6 zeros. See, in this way we can fill a string with zeros at the left if you want to fill. So using Jade Field we can make it. The same way we have one more string method that is called alphanumeric. So using alphanumeric keyword, we can find out in a string is there any alphanumeric values. For example, see, dot, now I am using is alnum method, means is all alphanumeric values. For example, see, now check the output, it is showing false because there is no alphanumeric values in that, only it is containing characters. So now if I change, now I am taking one more string, see, now I want to find out is there any alphanumeric values. I am using the same keyword. See, now also it is showing. So here there is no alphanumeric characters in this field. So for example, now if I will give some other example, for example I will give this year, that is 2020. So if I'll give 2020, now if I want to find out, see, now it is giving true because it is showing true value, because it is having alphanumeric values, means that characters are with the digits, so it is showing that. So the same way we have a method called split method. So using split method we can separate, for example, with the example you can understand better. That is, now I will assign a value, that is, for example, line 1 hyphen ds. This is new line escape sequence. Again I am giving new line. See, now I have given like this, means line 1 hyphen ds, again new line 2 ls, new line, again line 3 hyphen data science. So we can split this using split method. For example, if I print using split method, see, now check the output. It got split, means it got separated with commas. So if I am not giving split, what will be the output? Means it will come line by line, because I gave new line between each that word. So see, now this is the way, means using split you can separate it with commas. So for example, we'll see for one more example, that is for EDR I am giving hi with the new line escape sequence, next how, again a new line sequence, or again you. So now if I want to print, it will come in one by one in a line using new line method, new line escape sequence. So if I want to split it with a comma, I will use split method. See, now edr dot split. So now it is showing in a single line separated by commas. So what is escape sequence? In Python, some are there escape sequences, that by using that we can perform some operations, means by giving a new line that will be get printed in next line. For example, using first you see how many escape sequences are there. This is for new line, and this is for horizontal tab, and this is to give a backslash, and to mention a single quotation also you can use. So single quote it will print if you give with a backslash. Actually backslash used in Python to introduce a special character. See, here we have 1 2 3 4 5 escape sequences, means we are using these sequences. So for using this, means actually these escape sequences are used to perform these things, new line, horizontal tab, or if you want to print